All right, guys, this is Chris with Chris Palmer Marketing. In today's video, we will go over and discuss backlinks for SEO, the difference between a do follow backlink or a link from another website and a no follow link, and the difference and the importance of the two, and is one better than another? Because I know there's a lot of talk about getting only do follows, but I'd like to go over some studies, talk about this subject, and that will be in today's video. Let's get into it. So, as I was talking about the difference between a do follow and a no follow link. So, the difference quite simply is this. A do follow backlink will be a link from one site to another, okay? And it passes link equity, okay? It's a rel equals, it's a do follow, okay? Now, how to check something like this? There's two ways. You can use a tool. I use a tool called Moz. They have a browser extension. It's in Chrome. I'm not affiliated. You can go and check that out. What it will do is right up here, there is a box. It's a drop down. It will highlight any do follow links that are on the page. This is a do follow link. It's probably an internal link. However, it's highlighting them. Now, it will also highlight the no follow links. As you can see, these are in purple instead of blue. That means it's a no follow link. It's linking to an outside source, but they do not want to pass link equity. Now, with that said, everyone knows that a do follow link passes link juice. But let me tell you guys, all you black hat guys out there know that you can rank sites with no follow links, absolutely, without any shadow of a doubt. Not only no follow links, but they certainly help. Now, I stumbled across this piece of useful information on the SEMrush.com blog. I'm sure you've heard of SEMrush. It's one of the main players like Ahrefs, Moz, you have SEMrush, Majestic. SEMrush is probably on the lower tier along with Moz. However, that's simply my opinion, but they have a wonderful blog. They also have a wonderful tool. Not my tool of choice because of the price point. However, that's up to you, and that is out of the realm of this video. But let's go ahead and go down here quick. As you can see, so they actually did a test. Right? So let's just jump down to it. So the case for no follow links. One of the biggest ranking factors for Google is brand trust. They go on, they talk about, so a no follow link sends a message to Google that you are paying for the link because it is an ad, okay? Advertising is the lifeblood of business. So if you're a real brand, then wouldn't you expect Google to be rewarding you for advertising? In fact, what you are doing when you get a no follow link is you're telling Google, hey, we're doing business and this is our ad copy. Now, Google can look at the anchor text and see how relevant to your actual website and give you credit for the anchor text. It's all about the anchor text. A no follow link will still have an anchor text, right? It's still passing relevancy. That's really what they're talking about here, amongst some other things. Now, here in this article, they did this study. They have the money to do these studies, correlation studies. So this is really good. I just want to point this out. So they built the software SEO Jet. This was in 2017, I believe. They looked at the #1 ranked sites in every single niche, guys, right? In the categories in the industry. And they showed something very interesting according to this correlation study from a main player, right? So, did you know that the #1 ranked web pages on Google have an average of a 20 to 40% no follow links pointing to that page? Now, sometimes that's even higher. So, think about it. If a link attribute that was supposed to totally kill SEO effects shows up third of the time in the #1 ranked sites, would you think that a no follow link is non-resourceful? Honestly. Now, again, I go and check out some of the link profiles for your favorite things. For the pharmacy niches, I don't want to say anything, you know, that, bad, but go check it out. Go look up some of your pharmacy medical stuff online. Go look at their link profiles. Take a look. I guarantee they have no follows, EDUs, govs. Take a look. These no follow links are very important to build a quality backlink profile. Do follows pass the link equity, and they're super important. But that's really the difference in the things that I wanted to talk about. The next thing was this. Say you don't have Moz, say you want to take a look and see, is a link a no follow or a do follow? Say you're going and you're making links. This may help you out, okay? So if this right here is a hyperlink. If you highlight it, right click, and click inspect, okay? A box will generally pop up here. I'm recording, so it's a little slower. The item is highlighted. Okay, as you can see, this box, see how it has the bracket href equals, here's the link, and then rel equals no follow. So that's a no follow. If it was a do follow, it'd say do follow or nothing at all, okay? So if you don't have the Moz bar or any other type of tool and you want to check, hey, is this page given, do follows, whatever the case may be, that is how you do it. So to wrap up my point here, okay, the do follow versus no follow backlinks. Do follows pass link equity, link juice, whatever you want to call it. It's a vote from one page to another. Those are very important. The other is the no follow backlink. These are also very important for your structure, for your backlink profiles. It signals not every link should be a do follow. Real businesses receive no follow backlinks, and they are still very important. And like I said, go and take a look at some link profiles. You can rank with high authority no follow links. That's going to wrap up today's video. This is my beginners. I'm going to cover some topics that maybe are a little bit more beginner friendly if you're just getting into it. If you like this video, if it was helpful, please leave me a like. If you want me to make a video, if you have a question and you would like me to answer it, give you my side, I would be more than happy to do that for you. And please, if you found value in this video, I would appreciate if you would subscribe. Gives me the, I don't know. I see you subscribe. I feel like I'm producing quality content, so I would truly appreciate that. I thank you, and you have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next video.